Now let us understand how to do auscultation on the patient. This is the chest piece of the stethoscope. You have to apply firmly in the precordial area. Count the heart rate for 1 minute. Listen the heart sounds. Normally, first and second heart sound is audible. Check for presence of murmur. You also have to assess the different areas of the valve. Clinical examination of cardiovascular system also involves the measurement of the blood pressure and clinical examination of the pulse.
Prep Clinic. Dream Beyond.